Welcome to IFP Season 11, a virtual content festival with over 70,000 creators from over 400 cities and 30 countries. It's really easy to be a part of Virtual Fest. All you need to do is enter the registered email address that you provided when you bought your passes and the OTP that you would have received on your email. We would recommend you to use Google Chrome on your laptop for best experience. Once you are logged in, you will land at the home page IFP Arena. This is your starting point to the festival, and you will find all the information on featured sessions, speakers and creators here itself. Moving on to the Stages tab. This is where all the sessions taking place during the festival will be housed under. You will find 3 parallel stages at IFP with live sessions you can choose from. All you need to do is, when a session begins, simply click on the Join Session button. Inside the sessions, you can seamlessly chat with fellow creators, ask questions that will be moderated, or participate in polls. Here, in the Friends of IFP tab, you can visit the virtual stalls of all the brands who have made this festival possible. You can watch videos, click on their products or service listings, and download brochures. You'll also see brands offering products at great discounts available exclusively to you as an IFP participant only during the festival days, which you can purchase within the platform itself. Moving on to one of the most exciting part of the entire fest, we bring to you Mixers, a place where you meet and interact with like-minded people every hour. All you need to do is go to the Mixer stage and click on the current Mixer session. Make sure you are there first, since the limit for a Mixer session is only 50 people. Contests are a place for you to not only win some cool prizes and merchandise, but also engage with relevant people and brands. Participate in new contests every hour and ensure you take home some really cool goodies. Moving on to the People at IFP tab. This is the area where you can meet all the like-minded creators attending the festival with you. You can view their detailed profiles and make an informed decision if you would like to virtually meet with them through a video call or chat with them. Your chats with other creators are personal and secure. In order to send out a video meeting request, simply click their profile and click on Meet. Select a date, time, and purpose of the meeting. Once the meeting request is sent out, the other person will be required to approve it before you get on a one-on-one call with them. All the requests that you send out and the ones that you will receive will be housed under Schedule, right here. In order to join a meeting, simply click the Join Meeting tab. It's important to allow access to your microphone and camera to make the meetings happen. Keep checking your Notifications tab for updates from Team IFP as well as meeting requests and contest reminders. All your chats with fellow attendees will be available by clicking here. On the right, you will find the Festival Feed tab, a mini social media within IFP Festival. A place where you can interact with thousands of like-minded creators. You can create posts, share your photos or previous work links, get feedback, participate in polls, or start a discussion. You can also introduce yourself to the entire community and let them know if you are looking for a specific team member or service and if you are offering one. To make the most of your experience, we are introducing leaderboards, a place to get an incentive for every action you take on the platform. Commenting on the feed, interacting with fellow creators, checking out virtual stalls, attending as many sessions, chatting, or even when someone views your profile, you get points that convert to real prizes. Make sure you are in the top of leaderboard for you to get noticed by creators from around the world over. Throughout the festival, you can check on current happenings at the fest by clicking Happening Now anytime. By clicking on your profile picture here, you can edit your profile from here, check your bookmarks, find all your meetings, and change your settings. In case of any help, feel free to chat with us. You can go ahead and make the most out of this. Keep creating and see you at IFP Season 11.